Good evening. Welcome to your show, Coffee with Kanika, unapologetically vocal. So, how are you all doing? Let the people join in and then we'll begin with our today's talk show. And as you sign in, please do let me know you're from which country and you're from which city. I'm really very glad and happy to see everyone joining in, and I welcome all the viewers. As you sign in, please do let me know your country and your city. And I welcome you all. Hi Rohit. So guys, our today's talk show is on one of the most important topic of 2020, that is mental health is a priority. And this is a month of mental health awareness by WHO, and I thought that this topic needs to be really addressed because a lot of times it happens that we do neglect our mental health in a lot of different ways, and we have to really realize it that health is the real wealth, and to take care of our health we need to really invest our time into it. We give a lot of time to the physical health, but we need to give time to our mental health as well. And to address this topic for today, I have Harleen Arora. She's a counseling psychologist and a wonderful personality. She has a decade experience in psychology, and I thought that this topic needs to be addressed by her. And to the people who have joined in for the first time, I want to share with you Coffee with Kanika is a positive platform on mental health. It's a platform where you can express your thoughts, you can vent out your feelings, and you can be very vocal about yourself, and nobody is going to judge you or label you. So it's a platform to express, not impress. And as you guys have signed in, I'm really very glad, and I welcome you all. And please, any questions that are in your mind, please do ask us, because we need to make this session very interactive. And this is a talk show for you people. I have started this talk show for all of you, and so just don't let it be a session of just to listen it, engage, involve, and anything which is bothering you. I'm sure as a psychologist I can really sense it out. There are a lot of things always running in our mind. We have different emotions, we have different thought process running in the mind. We are not robots that 24/7 365 days we can be positive. So how to actually handle ourselves in these realistic world? 2020 is a very daring, very courageous year. It has taught us a lot of lessons. So what is your lesson that you have learned from 2020? I have learned one of the very big lesson, that happiness is the new rich, and health is the new wealth. So let's address this topic by Harleen Arora, and I will not take much time and invite her on our talk show. You all, hi Sanskriti, how are you? I'm doing good, Nitika. Hi Harleen, how are you?
Hi, Kanika. I'm good. How are you? Can you hear me, Kanika? Can you hear
Yes.
me? Yeah.
Hi Harleen, I welcome you on Coffee with Kanika talk show.
Hi, Kanika. Thanks for inviting me. It's a pleasure. Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Kanika. You tell me, how are you?
All well, all well. So nice, and I'm so excited to see you on our show. I welcome you once again. I think there was some network issue, error, so we could not connect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So how
completely
are you
fine. It's
doing?
wonderful. Yeah, I'm perfectly fine, Kanika. You tell me, how's it? How's everything going on?
Good, good. So, Harleen, the October is considered as a mental health awareness month by
Yeah,
WHO, and 2020 is a very daring year. It has taught everybody
yeah,
a big lessons of life. We often ignore our, if I think about 2019, we all have been very extremely busy with our lives. Everybody, all the humans,
yeah,
and in that case we really used to
yeah,
neglect even our physical health. And when it comes to mental health, we used to consider mental health is is not that
yeah.
important or essential. It's not required even. But however, this year has taught many lessons to every human being, and the biggest lesson is that mental health is a priority, and mental health is as important as physical health. And I think the
Yes,
health is the real wealth. Because अगर वो कहते हैं ना, जान है तो जहान है.
bilkul. Yeah,
So
definitely, Kanika,
let
because many times in life, yeah, we normally neglect our mental health. So, a broken bone is easily seen and it is visible, but a broken mind, since it's not visible, so we take it very lightly. So we just feel that, okay, so this is something that we cannot see, there's something, so it becomes difficult to address. And more than addressing, it becomes more difficult to even, treat our own selves. And you can easily go to a doctor and the doctor prescribes a medicine to us and we take it. But going to a mental health professional is also a stigma here, specifically in our country. So it's so
yeah,
important that, because many of the physical ailments are related with our mentality. So happy
right,
mind has a happy body. So
right, of
obviously
course.
it becomes very important to treat our mind just as we treat our body. So whatever is in the mind has to be treated, should be treated. And when we address a particular thing which is in our mind, half of the problems of the body are also released. So it's a very good initiative that you have been taking and addressing the mental health issues. So along with the talk that we are going to do, we'll be able to, I think, make people a little aware about the mental health issues. And let's see what comes up.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
guys, if you believe that mental health is just as important as physical health, so please give us a thumbs up. If you agree with us that it is equally very important and we don't need to ignore it, we need to take care of our physical health and mental health equally. So, Harleen, you have very well said that a broken bone is very easily, visible, but a broken
Yeah.
heart. And a lot of times I've seen that the people also, they are carrying their broken hearts, considering it, ये अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा with the passage
Yeah.
of time.
Yeah.
People have this attitude that mental health will
Yeah. Recover
slowly and
itself.
gradually
Yeah.
recover automatically. And even I have
Mm.
seen, if you discuss about these problems with your
Mm-hmm.
close ones, they openly consider it's okay, with passage of time it will heal. But
Yeah.
then we need to understand, very important, the level of the mental issue the person is going through. If
Yeah.
it is a mild,
Yeah.
which is a sadness kind of a state, it can heal with a positive attitude, with a positive environment. However, if it's an extreme situation and you're not taking care of it, I see a lot of people come to me as a psychologist, and they are been dealing with depression from a decade, and it gives me a shock.
Yeah.
You are carrying a depression with yourself for a decade, and initial 5, 6, 7 years, they don't even talk to anybody about it,
Yeah.
considering they
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah, Kanika, because it's so important to actually recognize the early signs of depression. We have
Right,
people around us, because now it's like, since you talk that it's 2020, it's a pandemic era, and the
right,
entire, I think, the year and even the coming year is going to go in it. And we have stayed a lot of time. We have spent rather a lot of time at our homes. And now you
right,
see, it's so I would say, important to detect the early signs of depression. Okay, rather depression is a very broader term, as you know, and you understand, but for the people, depression is something, they sometimes interchangeably use it as stress. It's different. So I would say
Right.
consider and actually just take out certain things that you see around you. For example, a brother, a sister, a colleague, or anybody. Recognize the early signs. For example, the person is not spending too much time on the activities that they were spending before. It could be just as small as going for a walk, okay, or
Right.
as big as spending time with the online work that we are doing from homes these days. So it could be that, it could sleeping too much or too little. Very very important. ज़्यादा सो रहे
Right.
हो कि
Right.
आप कम सो रहे हो.
बिल्कुल.
Take a, अपने देखो कि, are you taking in a lot of food, you're eating much, or you are not eating much. So these are small signs and symptoms which actually tell us what is going on. And you're very much, withdrawn from the society. You are in your own cocoon. You do not like to, venture out. You do not like to talk to people. And you yourself do not know what is going on with you. Because if you understand what is going on with you, you understand your mind. So we are not able to tame our mind in a way. So what happens in the process is it's so important that we recognize the early signs. Depression तो बाद में आता है. पहले तो stress ही
Very
है,
true.
anxiety है.
Right.
So अगर आप
If you're
पहले
not able to
ये
cure your
yeah
stress and it
yeah
reaches to extreme level of stress levels,
yeah
then it will take the turn of a depression, like.
depression. And we all have depression. If I we are psychologists, you are a psychologist, I'm a psychologist. Depression score is never zero. So
Right.
we never score zero on depression. So all of us are mildly depressed. So situation comes when this mild depression go towards the severe
Moderate.
thing or moderate thing, and then then we have issues in our day-to-day life. So that is why I always say that physical pains are easy to recognize, and but mental, obviously you say na, that people are coming to you, and since a decade they have probably been into depression and उनका recognition ही नहीं होती. So वो बहुत
Right.
जरूरी है. Early signs of depression are very very important to recognize and to address. और उसके लिए क्या है, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so I
Mm.
basically want to understand, because depression itself is a wider term. We'll discuss about it
Yeah,
maybe in the like is. But
yeah,
thank you so much for highlighting, and educating people who are live with us. One thing I want to understand it, because people normally talk about mental illness, but they don't talk about mental health.
yeah,
These two
yeah,
terminologies are very different, like is.
different. Yeah,
They considered mental only with illness, not with health. And
yeah,
taking care of your mental health, as I'm repeating it once again, is as important as physical health. We don't talk
yes,
about, if I talk about 2020, everybody is talking about it. We really need to boost our physical immunity. I have been watching so many news. You have
mm.
been watching it. WHO is constantly talking about build your physical immunity
Immunity,
to fight
yeah,
with COVID-19. But I very strongly, I have seen a lot of people who have been diagnosed in my surroundings as well, in my family, friend circle, relatives, who have been diagnosed with COVID. And I can truly tell about it that COVID is not a fight of physical
yeah,
immunity
so
only,
true.
it's a fight of mental immunity as well. Because
Yes,
and so in that case, I have a lot to talk about it, but time is less,
yeah,
but
yeah,
then we have to
definitely.
address it step by step. Tell me one thing, as a psychologist, what do you think that how we can actually build our mental health, and how we can make it very strong and powerful?
Okay, Kanikana, there are two aspects of building a mental health. One is for your own self, and one is for the people that are around you. Because, first of all, you need to be mentally strong enough to cater to the needs of the people around you. So these are
Right,
the
very
two
true.
different aspects. So if we are talking about the people that are there around us, because, we as psychologists, it will be better if we are able to, address the problem in other people as well. So there are many do's and don'ts that we are supposed to do. Number one, I would say कि when you are doing certain thing, the most important thing is recognize the person has a problem. We have been talking about it initially. It is so important to recognize that this person has a problem and this problem needs to be addressed. Okay.
Very true.
Number two, letting the person know that it is a problem and it is curable. It is treatable. Many times, we do not go to a psychologist or a psychiatrist just thinking that, probably going to a psychologist or a psychiatrist will label us with something. Okay, ye to pagal hai. Yeah, the person has this mental problem. She's good. This is absolutely fine. Don't we go to a doctor when we have a normal stomach problem or, a fever? For example, now if we are having fever during the COVID times, we are just, thinking that we are positives, so we are doing everything like that. Another, I would say that we should encourage them to go out, but we should not force them to do something. बिकॉज अगर वो कर सकते तो फिर हमारे पास हमारी उनको जरूरत नहीं थी. अब डूज एंड डोंट साथ साथ चलते. या कनिका, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग? आई एम सॉरी, were you saying
No,
something?
go ahead.
Yeah.
No, go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. And third most important thing is to listen. I've always emphasized on this virtue. I would say, since we have started in a convent and we have always been taught about different virtues, but, very seldom we have actually talked about listening. Okay, so it's a virtue. If you are just able to listen to the problems of other people, half of the problems are resolved. It is so, so important that we are okay, because that gives, because person who is depressed or stressed is basically, feeling hopeless and worthless and heartless about himself or herself. They don't have anything in them. So we'll just, by listening to the, vows, and it's very difficult because, sunana asan hai, sunna bahut mushkil hai. It's very, very difficult. So we go to certain people and we tell about our problems. It's so easy. But listening to the problems, it requires a lot of courage and strength because nobody is going to listen to the problems. Okay. So basically, teen cheezein hain. You recognize the problem, you address the problem, you listen to others. These are very, very important things, and these are basic things because you know that we have very short time and we can go on and on talking about this and it is never ending. But initial stages or I would say initially, it is so, so important to give weightage to the problem of the other people. Sometimes, the person is not himself or herself aware that what is the problem. Or when we are constantly talking to that person, then what happens is that the person actually who is even not aware of the problem he or she is having, she is also able to recognize the problem. So once you are able to recognize what the person is going through, उस प्रॉब्लम के 50% सोल्यूशन हो जाता है. इसलिए साइकोलॉजिस्ट का रोल इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है because they're not going to give prescribed medicine to a person, but we just listen and all the therapies that we are using, it is in the process. We are not even telling what we are doing. अब ये तो हो गया, okay, we are doing these particular things. Now don'ts. Now what happens is, one common thing which a person tells us, for example, you are depressed and you have come to me, one thing that we normally say, count your blessings. Okay, this is a common thing, count. Is if you are able to count the blessings, would you ever come to me? No. वो ही तो recognition उनको है नहीं है. So just telling the person always, see what you have, that is also, putting a person through a kind of shame and guilt that you have so much you don't see. This is my perspective. I'm not saying, obviously we as individuals are supposed to count our blessings, but the person who is depressed, the person who is stressed, if we just, go on telling the person to count the blessings, it is always telling the person that, putting the person through shame and guilt. Okay, you have so much, you make the person feel guilty sometimes कि इतना कुछ होने के बावजूद भी आप ये हो, क्योंकि बस उससे ये कुछ नहीं है. Because the person as rich as, I don't know, a tycoon or a business tycoon can be depressed, and the rickshaw puller can also be depressed. Okay, so उसमें ये कुछ social status का कोई बात ही नहीं आ रही है. Okay, since the time, okay, our hands are working, ears are working, eyes are working, it's a blessing. But वो उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Second thing is, don't assume that the person is all right. For example, person comes to you for counseling or just a normal talk, maybe with your sister or a brother who's undergoing something, and the person is, and uske hafte ke baad or probably after a week, don't assume the person is okay. Because the here you are actually seeing, you cannot see what is going on in the mind of an individual. Okay, that is why I
Right.
always see we can heal a body part which is not okay. What is going on inside the mind, we as individuals just assume. Okay, आज
Right.
बात हुई है, अब कल ठीक होगी. So just
Right.
assuming that a person is okay is also not okay. So these are little things that we need to do for the people who are around us. आपको इसमें किसी therapy की जरूरत नहीं है. You do not need to be, a therapist to do something like this. No, nothing. Just take it easy. We need to be more patient than the individuals who are going through something as
Very
listeners.
nice. Very,
We
I really
always,
appreciate
yeah,
your points are, so, so practical, so realistic, and rather so simple that it can be
yeah,
applied into day-to-day life
yeah.
without, without any inhibitions. So one needs to be actually take a commitment that I
Hmm.
have to work on all these things. And
Hmm.
very well said. So, one more thing I want to discuss with this.
Yeah.
These are the things that we have been talking, about it, and these are the things that we need to practically do it.
Yeah.
As a 2020 is such an alarming year, and
Yeah.
we have seen that people all around the world are being fighting with COVID. One is a fight that is going with COVID-19 all
Yeah.
worldwide, and another is a fight of people being staying at home, and because COVID
Definitely.
has affected everybody in some of the different forms, so I think no human can say that COVID has not affected me
Definitely.
in a form that maybe it has not
Mm.
hit you directly, but indirectly, emotionally, psychologically, financially, it has hit everybody,
Every aspect.
and
Yeah.
we are aware about it. Many
Mm.
people have lost their jobs, and their financial status has gone down. Emotionally and psychologically, people are sitting at home. We are a social creature. We have been always exposed throughout life and years to go out, and just now being sitting at home, and people were not prepared for 2020 to be like this, right?
Yes.
Sitting at
Mm.
home, not even going out, and even if you have to go out to buy something, you are always having that fear, are
Yeah.
COVID na ho jaye.
Yeah. Fear of
This is very
contamination is always
natural.
there.
So
Yeah.
I want to address something which is very natural and very practical. And when we talk, we have seen the uh, uh, celebrities. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, was
Mm.
diagnosed, and his son, Abhishek
Yeah.
Bachchan, they were. I don't want to talk about only them, but what I want to say is that when his son's test was supposed to come, because it initially first two times came positive and he was hospitalized, so
Yeah.
he has written in his tweet that I have never had this kind of an insecurity. I have seen a lot of ups and downs in my life, and I have never had this kind of insecurity
Mm-hmm.
ever like his.
Yeah.
And then I have a lot of examples of other people who have that we have always been a fighter in our life, whether it was the Khalsa Aid,
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Ravi,
Yeah.
he was
Yeah.
talking about it, that I never
Mm.
felt ever in my life that broken that I am feeling it. He was also diagnosed COVID.
Yeah.
So what I am, and these are the people who have always been very strong. They have been the role models for
Mm-hmm.
every one of us. And now the thing is this, that any person who is going through COVID, like as I'm repeating it, we talk about the physical immunity, badao isko badao,
हाँ जी.
eat nuts, have vitamin C and all
Yeah.
that. But
Yeah.
tell me about it that mental immunity के लिए जो बंदा एक रूम में क्लोज हो जाते हैं, अगर किसी को कोविड जब हो जाता है, वो
Hmm.
एक रूम में बंद है, उस ही इज आइसोलेटेड, उसके आसपास कोई नहीं है, अगर उसको किसी से बात करनी है, सो दैट पर्सन कैन ओनली टॉक थ्रू द फोन, right? And
Yeah.
a lot of time now I'm seeing in the society, people who are diagnosed with COVID, they don't come out and talk about it, and they are
Yes.
fighting with the physical health, they are fighting with the mental health as well. So anything that you want to share on a practical aspect कि ऐसे लोगों को, because जिस चीज की वैक्सीन भी नहीं है, एंड यू
बिल्कुल.
आर यू नो, जब आपको डायग्नोस्ड किसी को हो जाता है, और उस टाइम पे आपको अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ का कैसे ध्यान रखना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू
Mm-hmm.
डोंट नो व्हाट गोना हैपन नेक्स्ट,
Yes.
and it is a war, between going on between COVID and you.
Yeah.
इस टाइम पे मेंटल इम्यूनिटी और मेंटल हेल्थ बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है.
Yeah.
So you have anything that practical that
Yes.
you want to share?
Yes, definitely, Kanika. It's rightly said that, because we are going through difficult times at the point, and these difficult times are going to last. I don't know for how long. And
Yeah,
since we
I
do not have
totally
the
agree.
vaccine, yeah, we do not know how much time is it going to take. Now, for the person like who's self-isolated, or even for us, like we are also at home. You are also at home. I'm also at home. We are not moving out. For people who are actually at home, and it's not just fight with the COVID, it's fight with our own selves, because we have discovered a lot of things that we were unaware of about ourselves also. You see, this time has not just taken away our freedom or anything, it has also brought us back together to ourselves. I think obviously many people during this time would have, might have, or should have introspected. तीनों चीजें हैं.
Yeah,
अब इंट्रोस्पेक्शन में क्या है, आपको अपने बारे में ज्यादा पता लग गया है, कुछ तो पता लगा है जो आपको पहले नहीं पता था. अब उन इंडिविजुअल्स को हम मेंटल इम्यूनिटी का क्या कर सकते हैं. बेसिकली व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम इज थिंग्स दैट यू हैव नॉट डन in the past. Maybe it could be anything related to your, something that you wanted to do, you did not ever get a time to do at, spending time with your loved ones or family. Sometimes when we were out of this COVID thing, we sometimes
right,
craved to be with our loved ones. तब कहते थे टाइम नहीं
right,
है, टाइम नहीं है. अब
right,
टाइम ही टाइम है. अब उनके साथ रह के भी प्रॉब्लम है. So you see now how
right,
unsatisfied we as humans are.
right,
This is basically showing our unsatisfaction. What we have, we are not happy. When we have that, we crib. Okay, when we do not have that, we crib. So cribbing एक हमारी जो है, that is a part of our habituated, I would say, thinking or anything like that. Mental immunity का सबसे ज़्यादा है, people can meditate. It's very important because everybody still, but I would say that everybody doesn't meditate. Meditation की
No,
की
I
सबकी वो
totally
है.
agree with you.
Yeah,
Meditation is one of the most important
it
food
is.
to,
To your
to build
soul,
your
to your
mental
mind.
immunity.
It
Very
is.
important.
But
Yeah.
कितने लोग कर रहे हैं? ये भी है. It's so easy to say that you do this, you do that. That is why I think that you cannot push people to do something during this time because they are already very pushy. पुशी क्या है, किसी भी चीज में उनका ध्यान नहीं लग रहा है. एंड प्रॉबेबली अगर मेंटल इम्यूनिटी ऑलरेडी ठीक होती, इफ दे वर ऑलरेडी मेंटली फिट, तो कोविड के जितने केसेस राइज हुए हैं ना, वो ज्यादा होते ना. डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस आ गया, सी प्रॉब्लम्स इन द फैमिली हो गई. सो प्रोज एंड कॉन्स तो हर चीज के ही हैं. लेकिन हियर बेसिकली टू डील विद द मेंटल डिस्ट्रैक्शंस are very, very important. So I need, I know a very person who's very close to me. उनका मेंटल डिस्ट्रैक्शन क्या है, दैट दे गो ऑफ टॉकिंग, दे स्विच ऑफ द फोन, एंड दीज पर्टिकुलर 2-3 पर्सन वो अपने आप में ही रहते हैं. दे बिल्ड देयर ओन कोकून और उसमें चले जाते हैं और स्टेटस डाल देते हैं कि डोंट कॉन्टैक्ट अस फॉर 2-3 days. ओके, सो ये टोटल ये सोशली अपने आप को आइसोलेट कर लेते हैं. ये एक स्ट्रैटेजी है. किसी के लिए कुछ है, किसी के लिए कुछ है. But here basically talking about the people who are going through this pandemic, who are actually diagnosed or are in self-isolation, it is so important. You can meditate, you pray. We have not given much time to the prayers. Being a psychologist, talking about prayers is not, synchronizing. But it is something that whatever we cannot do as individuals, we give it to him and then he does. Okay, so
Right.
building a faith is
Very
very,
true.
very important. जो हम नहीं
Yeah.
कर सकते वो तो, because he is the master of everything. Because I have given a lot of emphasis to prayers in my life, and whenever people who have come to me with the problems, and whenever I've asked, I have been questioned, because being a psychologist, I'm not just supposed to talk more about prayers, but you can pray. You read a book, read anything that you have not done. Online courses are available. You see,
Yes.
for all age groups. And you know how many,
Yeah.
people have got themselves involved with the cooking. I never knew I could cook. No, so because obviously mothers have been cooking for us for, I don't know, ages, since the time we have grown up. So people are into that. People have started their small businesses during these days, okay, these pandemics. So you can do a lot of things, but here building mental immunity is basically, health is also deteriorating during this days, because whatever happens to us mentally is mostly manifested in a form of some physical ailment, so that we call psychosomatic disorders. You must be knowing this
Yeah,
term. Yeah,
exactly. I wanted to,
yeah,
because probably if
yeah,
your mental immunity is weak, it's never, even if you're eating a good food, right? If you are
yeah,
taking a nutritious diet as well,
yeah.
but it is not going to build your physical immunity as well. A
No,
lot of people
no.
ignore and neglect it. You're taking good fruits, and a lot of times it happens that I've seen in the surroundings when people visit the doctor and they talk about it. Oh, I am taking all the good diet, but my body is not getting that kind of nutrition that is required. So then
Yeah,
the thing is, they'll ask you, what is your sleep pattern? Are you taking any
yes,
stress? Is there any
yeah,
psychologically issue that you are facing it? Because
definitely,
physical and psychological is all interrelated. We cannot ignore, we can't
definitely.
consider both. पहले physical immunity ठीक कर लेंगे, फिर mental immunity. It has to go
Yeah,
in hand, and you
बिल्कुल.
have to take care of your health, which has your physical and mental health. The balance of both is
Yeah.
very
And to
important.
add to this, Kanika, you've seen that many cancer patients have recovered just because of their willpower.
Yes.
So many cancer patients, many people who have been going through the most difficult stages of life, they have come out of it just because of the strength that their mind gives them. So we cannot
Yeah, mental
underestimate
strength.
the power of your mind. Yeah, you can't underestimate the power of your mind. Mind can take you anywhere. Mind is responsible for a suicide. Mind is responsible for the heights that you achieve in your life. So these are all, see the pole, they are polar parts. So you just see, so that is why, mental health is and should be a priority, because once you're mentally sound, physically, they go hand in hand. Physical body, sometimes a person seems, for example, just an example, that by the look of me, you cannot even gather, probably I might have had a fight with somebody in the house just an hour back, but you look at me, you cannot make that out कि हाँ ऐसा कुछ हुआ होगा. Similarly,
Right.
you might have had a very traumatic morning and you are here talking to me. So I cannot look at you and I can tell you, see, this is what are you going through. So ये है disguise जो कर लेता है, जो mind has the disguising power. So by
That's why
looking at
I say that.
somebody, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, tell me.
That's why I say that your mind can be your best friend and it can be your worst enemy. You have
Worst
to make it
enemy,
your
yeah,
side. So
yeah,
it's the mind needs to operate and generate positive thoughts. It is about
yeah,
it what you give it to your mind. Thoughts are going to come.
definitely.
Either you are going to think about the past or you are going to think about the future, right? Or
Future,
like it.
even the present.
Yeah,
Yeah, even I feel that, just 10 minutes back is also past. People just say, stay in
right.
the present, stay in the present. It's so easy to stay. So even 10 minutes from the where we have started talking is now past. So it is going to determine our future. It is going to determine what is going to happen the next 10 minutes. So ठीक है, you stay in the present, but future and past do determine your life. You cannot, just push away that. That is why I say that we cannot tell the person just like that, forget about the past.
But there
When
is
we are
one thing that
telling the
we can
person,
always do.
yeah,
But there is
yeah,
one thing that I always believe, because a lot of times it happens when, see, we all have a lot of desires, wishes, goals that
yeah,
we wanted to,
yeah.
fulfill it in 2020, which have been paused for a while or so.
Hmm.
And if we are thinking about them, or anybody, people
Yes.
often when they come for the counseling session, they talk about it. अरे ये नहीं हुआ, ये तो ऐसे ही रह गया. And
Yeah.
in a manner which for them is very important and special, because it's their goal that they wanted to achieve it. However,
Yeah.
I always think about it that something which is not in your circle of control, something that you
Yeah.
cannot do it right now, if you are just investing your energy, your thoughts, your time on it, which you are aware about it's not gonna happen, right? So you
Yeah.
are wasting your present. It's better you focus on your energy on those things which you can do it at the present. So can you can
Yeah.
make and turn your positive energy, because हमें सबको पता है कि अभी situations, जैसे you have very rightly said, कि अभी 2020 नहीं, even 2021, and the
We
world,
don't
the
know.
way the world is,
Yeah.
I mean, guys, I really want to say one thing, because this thought has been, I wanted to address it on social media. Guys, please, it's my sincere request to everyone, all the countries. Harleen and I am from India, so if
Yeah.
any viewers are from the different parts of the world, so I want to address it that countries like Japan, countries like Hong Kong, countries like Singapore, they have been able to handle the COVID is because they followed the concept of SMS, which is social distancing,
Yeah.
mask wearing, and sanitize. And here I see in my country the cases are increasing because people are really not
No.
calling it, they are considering COVID as a joke, which is, it is not a joke, and mask
Yeah.
as a mazak, which is not like it. So you wearing a mask on your chin is not gonna give you anything. So better you don't wear, because
Yeah.
you have to wear it properly. And the
Yeah.
way I see, all the surroundings, the election campaigns are going, and nobody's wearing mask. It's
No.
gonna give a, so I don't think so. COVID is going to leave India for the next 2-3 years with the way people are actually
No.
taking it lightly. And
And
so, guys,
also
it's my
considering the
team.
amount of people who we have already lost, more than 1 lakh people
Yes,
have already died, and it's not a small number. So
yeah,
that is yeah. And like you were saying, people have not been able to achieve what they wanted to achieve in this particular pandemic time, right? But we are alive. Thank
yes.
God we
That
are
that
alive.
that that
Yeah.
we be grateful for
And
that.
yeah, yeah, and we are alive. We can do it in the coming times. So it's always, there's something to always look up to. So it's very, very
Yeah,
important. Ye pandemic, ye social distancing, because and it is like a WHO's finding. Like we're talking about WHO, then the next coming 6 months, India would
is
be
going to be
worstly
worse
hit.
for the country.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is going to be worstly hit. So if we are already hit, and at least what we can do from our side, we are supposed to do. And it is being
I
yeah,
totally agree with you that
yeah,
it should be our responsibility. It should not be like, I see people are following a herd mentality,
yeah.
which is going it on, and which is gonna bring the situation at the worst. You have a responsibility as a citizen. These countries are really educated and intelligent countries. How they have been able to do it, because they took the ownership and commitment as a team, that we have
Yeah.
to fight and we have to win from COVID-19. And this concept is so clear and simple, that SMS, sanitize, social distancing, mask wearing, and you can actually
Hmm.
handle the situation. So,
Yes.
Harleen, I have
Yeah.
less time, but I have
Yeah.
lot to talk to you. So,
Yeah.
that was something we, as a you responsible citizens of our
Yeah.
country, we have conveyed a great and
Yes.
important message. So, there are a lot of myths as well about COVID, about this mental health.
Yeah.
And one of the one which I wanted to discuss with you is that mental health is only for the mental illness is only for the females. आदमी तो अपने आदमियों को तो
Yeah.
जरूरत नहीं होती है.
Yeah. Um, I would just like to, say that obviously I'm laughing over it. Um, there's no, I would not see that, there are any gender differences here.
Yes,
Rather, I would say that, we as women, we as girls, we have a tendency to open up more frequently
more.
than the men
Yeah,
do. So they are more bottled in. We have our own circle of friends, and because it always hurts a male ego Please, no offense
Right.
to anybody. We live in a patriarchal society. Things are moving towards, the women rights and everything also. But we cannot negate the fact that we are living in a society which is patriarchal in nature. So when we are living in such a kind of society, men, they do not open up. You know, how many times do you find your brother crying? How many times you find your father crying? Or how many times do you see your spouse or any other person who's a male is crying? So they must be crying. This doesn't mean that they do not cry.
Yeah.
But crying is something which is related to more to a female tendency. So it is as important to address the problems of a male as it is for a female. I would say that, for example, a female does not hesitate to still talk. Males do, because somewhere it hurts the male ego. I would say, I'm using the word
Yes.
ego, but it sometimes hurts that particular. Getting hurt, they equally have emotions as we do have. It is just the level of emotions that we are showcasing that differs.
Yes,
It's just that the difference is just the level. It is not that they are
very true.
emotionless. No, they are not. They do have emotions, but it's just that how much do we showcase it? So we as females showcase them anywhere and everywhere we want. They do not do that. So it is very, very
Right.
important to talk to the male members of your family, to your father, to your spouse, to your husband, to your friends, because they are not going to come up with you, come up to you so easily with individuals coming to me who are males. So there is no, I would not say that there is any kind of a gender difference in that. It's just that they are more
Yes.
bottled in comparison to the females. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So although there are a lot of myths about mental health, but I just wanted to address this one because we are doing one series with emotional intelligence, that mental
Okay.
health is for both the genders. It's not
Yeah.
something that needs to be taken care only by the females. Males are also needs equal kind of mental health. And
Yeah.
one more myth I would like to address with you, because that's very important, that mental illness is a sign of weakness.
Yes. Yeah, now this is a myth that we have been reading about. Since the time we've started studying psychology, this mental
Right.
illnesses and this thing has always been linked with, it is a weakness. It is always a strength to talk about your problems. It is never a
Right.
weakness. It is all
Right.
because it takes a lot of courage for a person
Courage.
who has
Yeah.
bottled in, who has a lot of inside of him or her to come up to
Right.
somebody and talk about a problem. Because talking about your problems is not easy. When we
Yes.
started studying, or even when people start, it's a very common thing. I'm just talking about it generally, that whenever people come to us for counseling, you and me, you must have noticed, Kanika, that in the first one or two sessions, they are mostly lying
Yeah.
about their problem.
Yes. Right.
Okay, in the
Right.
first meeting, they will say, I don't have a problem. The person like this said this to me. Okay. And we as counselors, or we just patiently listen. Second meeting, the
Hmm.
person will come. No, in the first meeting, whatever I said was not okay. Now, this is a problem. Now, you see, when a person who actually has a problem takes 3 or 4 sessions to open up. Okay, why?
Right.
Because they feel that they might be labeled as a person with a mental defect. Now, these are different
Yes.
terms: mental defect, mental illness. Now, mental problems. Hai to sare, we are using them interchangeably, but they are all so different. So, it is definitely a strength. Only if you are, strong enough, you will talk about your problem. The person who is weak enough would end up doing a harm to him or herself, or doing the harm to others. Why do suicides happen? Now, suicide is not a sign of strength.
Right.
There is, please, no offense to anybody. It's not strength to do it. It's always a weakness to harm yourself. It's always a weakness to harm the other person. Murders and robberies and everything, they happen because there's something which is different in the mind of that person. Now, you see, a simple pin prick, you know, causes a reflex action in us. A normal pinprick. Okay, even we touch a hot, iron or a hot, by chance agar galti se kahin lag jaye, we withdraw our hand. So you just understand the psyche of a person who commits suicide. How much must be going inside? Now it's a weakness because the person did not have the courage. Suicide note पे जो हमें बाद में हम पढ़ते हैं, अगर वो पहले ही पता लग जाए, it can be prevented. Okay, so this is not, obviously you talk to somebody,
So in
it
that
shows your
case,
strength.
one more myth that I
Yeah.
wanted to address, that people consider that mental illness is something that cannot be cured or treated.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
so before I share my thoughts on it, because I have
Yeah.
lot to say about
Yeah,
it. I
definitely.
want you
Definitely.
to talk about it. That this is
Um,
something that is absolutely curable
it is
and it
treatable.
can be treated.
Yeah.
It's
We see, we as individuals, no doubt, Kanika is a psychologist. I am a psychologist. We also have our ups and downs in our life.
in life.
Don't
Yeah.
think, don't think that we are sitting over here, both of us, and
Oh,
just telling
psychologists
you,
are always considered as a
yeah,
iron
Aaron, yeah, they don't
human.
have feelings. And even if I have some troubles, if I tell somebody, the first thing that I get at, you yourself are a psychologist. But people fail to
Exactly.
understand. Yeah, this is the first thing that we get to hear. You are so smart enough. This is the fun thing, that you are so smart enough. This is nothing for you. But everybody
Exactly.
forgets that we are humans too. We are humans first, and
Exactly.
then. So we all have our ups and downs. And even, being a psychologist, if I have a trouble, I do not hesitate in going to a counselor. I do not, because I also need it at some point of my time. I have stayed for 2-3 months in Canada, because when I shifted over there, and going to a different land and staying over there wasn't easy. So it gives
Right.
me, I don't feel degraded or something by telling that I had to take certain counseling sessions, because it's perfectly fine, because I care
Right.
about my mental health. So this is what
Wonderful.
we are talking about. We care.
Wonderful. Very
We
nice.
need to care. We care about our mental health. I care about my mental health. Even if I have to go to a psychologist for certain issues, I will not hesitate, because I do not want my stresses to be converted into depression. Okay, so
Wonderful.
it is so important. So that is why I'm saying that, myth, it's a myth that it is not treatable. There is nothing in the world except, yeah, there are many mental ailments, I would say the medical field might not have a solution. So before your stress becomes
Yes.
depression, and
Question.
depression takes you somewhere in your own cocoon that you cannot get out of it, it is so important to seek help.
Important to
Yeah,
seek help.
please go. Please do not hesitate. Please just go and talk about your problems with a therapist or a counselor. You do not want to, go to a counselor or a therapist. Go to somebody whom you rely. It's not a commercial platform to actually, gather work or nothing. It is about you. It is about our mental health. So it is so important to take care of it, because if you are mentally sound, you would be able to do other tasks in life. The physically you are fine, because if you're mentally not okay, the physical health will deteriorate. It will not be okay. There comes a time when you feel so, there are certain times in life, or probably during the day, you feel very low. It happens with everybody. We feel low, and we do not know the reason why we are feeling low. It happens with everybody. I'm saying it happens with me. It must be happening with Kanika. With everybody, it happens. We do not understand why is it happening. So the best way is, try to understand. Try to just, go out, seek help, talk to somebody, because, every answer is in us. We have all the answers of all our problems in our mind. So it's so important to take care of it. I would just say this. It's very important to be aware.
This
Yeah.
line of yours is so powerful, and I am really
Yeah.
impressed. On बहुत बार तो ये होता है that we are always talking, but it's a
Yeah.
pleasure of listening, and it's a pleasure of listening a psychologist who is saying the same thoughts and perspectives that you are spreading it to the world. So I am so glad, and I'm so
Pleasure is
proud of
all
you that
mine,
you are
Karika.
sharing it.
Yeah.
you are sharing this pointed because people oftenly considered that a psychologist doesn't need a counseling and उनके पास
No,
उनको तो सब पता है. Even
बिल्कुल.
when a doctor goes for its for the physical health
Doctors
and
fall sick
gets
too.
operated
It's
or
like, yeah,
surgeries,
yeah.
then why can't a psychologist go,
Yeah, this is what I'm
right?
saying. Doctors fall sick too. They have fever too. They have ailments too. So we as psychologists do have mental problems. So, it is
But
me or
then,
it is
yes,
her.
but then
Yeah.
there is one thing that, because our education, our study has given us the intelligence
Yeah.
to introspect in a very
Yeah.
quick go about it, that, oh, there is something which is alarming and I need to take care of
Yeah.
myself. So I
Definitely.
think that's a really plus point, and I'm
Yeah.
very
That is
grateful
why
to psychology.
that is why I always say that you look for symptoms. Even if
Yes.
you're not having symptoms, just look for symptoms. Because you must be remembering, Kanika, like when we were studying psychology, and when we shifted to abnormal psychology, so you see how many disorders were there, and mostly all the symptoms we thought we had. I still remember my third year psychology class, and when we
I
started.
think Simati ma'am might be live with us, so
Ah,
I'm
she must
sure
be.
she must be laughing,
Yeah.
on it. That all the symptoms लगते थे जैसे
Yeah.
अपने साथ ही हैं, because
We
that
will
age
talk
is
about,
also
yeah,
adolescent
almost
age.
the same. Yeah. And you see, almost all, whether you talk about the bipolar, we had symptoms. You talk about schizophrenia, we used to think, okay, we have these symptoms. Normal stress, anxiety, generalized disorders. We thought all of us we have. So we have all the symptoms in various degrees. We have it in various degrees. So it's just that the people who are highly depressed, they have it more than the normal individual has. So there is, you say a curve of normancy. We know the curve. If you remember it, so we all have it. Sometimes it is skewed, sometimes it is not skewed, but we all have it at some point of our time. So we cannot say that we
Right.
are not depressed and the other person is depressed, because we all are depressed. You just keep this in mind, that we all are depressed individuals. It's just the degree that varies. Okay, so
Right.
that is very
So,
important.
there are more myths. There
Yeah,
are many myths, but
yeah,
we
yeah,
wanted to address the only three. And uh, time is, quickly moving and on it.
yeah,
So, I have to. Normally, the session is of 30 to 45 minutes, but it has
yeah.
been a great session with you, and your insights are so powerful that it has almost been going to be an hour. So I'm
Yeah,
going to just ask the last one, which is very
yeah,
important. So,
yeah.
what do you want to say last to all the viewers who are live with us and who will be watching the IGTV? How one should take care of the mental health and how to keep it a balance? A few five practical tips that you want to share
Uh-huh.
with the viewers.
Yeah, Kanika, it's very, very important, because we've already been talking a lot about mental health in this particular session. So, the most important thing about the mental health that I've already studied, that please try to recognize the symptoms in yourself first. You see where you are
So
heading.
you mean to say that notice
Yeah,
what you feel
notice what
and
you're
think.
feeling. Notice, because it's so important. Like, you're feeling sad, notice that you're feeling sad. There must be something. There are certain triggers which triggered the sadness or even happiness in us. There are many kinds of, there's a eustress, which is a positive stress, and there's a distress, that's a negative stress. So first important thing is to just recognize that you are feeling something. It is so, so important, because until and unless we recognize what we are going through, we cannot address. That is most important. Another thing, to
Okay.
keep yourself mentally okay, what you need to do is that thoughts keep on coming. There is no individual, the thoughts to whom the thoughts do not come, and the thoughts are both positive and negative. Okay, we have not reached a level of that, I would say, a saint or somebody like that who has the capacity to tame the monkey mind. I always use this term monkey mind, because our mind is like a monkey, is always hovering, hoping around. Okay, so to address that particular thing is, it's very, very difficult to tame a monkey mind, and we all have monkey minds, because we have evolved from them, so something we have got from them. So that taming of a monkey mind is very, very important. What we can do is we can deviate. For example, there is a
Right.
thought which is coming to us, which is causing us a lot of trouble. Read a newspaper, go watch Netflix. I would say go watch Netflix, go out with somebody, because it is not going to happen instantly. Keep very, very important to actually tame that mind. And taming does not happen in a spur of a moment. It does not come, ek din mein kuch nahi hota. So it needs a
Right.
lot of practice. So we are supposed to do that. Another I would I would like to say is that mental health, yes, because the topic is mental health is a priority. Give your mental health time the way you give your body. Okay, we have this cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine for the beautiful faces that we want to put in for the next day. So similar routine is required for the mind also. Cleansing the mind, toning the mind. Toning here, I would say tuning the mind. Okay, you cleansing your
Yeah.
mind,
So
tuning the mind, and you do something that you in a way that all the things that are in your mind, they are there, they are going to be there. Always remember, there's a term that was used by Freud. It is coming to my mind: motivated forgetting. I
hmm.
have never agreed with what he has said. Motivated forgetting. We can't forget when we want to forget. It never happens.
Right.
Because when we are
Right.
forgetting about something which is traumatic, we are forgetting about something, we are actually considering that more. We are actually thinking
Yeah.
about motivated forgetting. We are actually remembering that particular thing. So just take it easy. Let it happen on its own.
So in
It's
this
very
case, we
important.
talk about
Yeah.
it is mind conditioning. So you need to condition your mind,
Yeah.
and you can condition your
We
mind
are
by
already
doing
conditioned,
meditation.
Kanika, I would say. Yeah. I would say we are already conditioned to think negative things. So we have to
No, no.
do
But in this
deconditioning.
case, what
Yeah.
happens is, when we talk about mind conditioning, is we
Yeah.
need to it is conditioned, but we need to
Yeah.
recondition it by
Yeah.
practicing
Decondition it.
meditation. And also,
Meditation,
one thing which is very important
exercise.
is
Yeah.
work on your strengths. A lot of
Yeah.
times it happens when we are feeling mentally low, we focus on the
Yeah.
things that we can't do or which is not happening yet. Here we need to shift
Yeah.
our focus on our strengths, and we need to focus on things that I can do. So be in that
Yeah.
state where you are actually working on your on your strengths. बिकॉज क्यों हम लो फील करते हैं,
Yes.
क्यों हमारा मोरल डाउन होता है, वो
बिल्कुल.
इसीलिए होता है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग दैट वी वांट टू डू, वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू द रिलेशन दैट वी वांट टू बिल्ड, वी आर नॉट एबल टू बिल्ड द थिंग्स दैट we want to achieve, we are not able to achieve the
Yes.
dreams that we want to full are not getting full. But then we realize and we fail to
Yeah.
understand it, that they are something, certain things are not in our control or not in our hands. So if we invest our time and we
Yes.
work on things that are in our hands, we will be conditioning and investing our time, as you have very beautifully said. Give टाइम टू योर माइंड. अपने माइंड को टाइम देना बहुत ज्यादा
Mm-hmm.
जरूरी है. आप उसको जब टाइम दोगे तो ही आप उसको
Mm-hmm.
स्ट्रांगली बिल्ड कर पाओगे. हम जिम जाते
Yeah,
हैं, हम
nothing happens in a
एक्सरसाइज
spur
करते
of
हैं,
a moment.
हम योगा करते
बिल्कुल.
हैं, हम वो सब चीजें क्यों करते
सबको
हैं?
टाइम
हम
लगता है.
इसलिए करते हैं. हाँ,
Mm.
वो कभी एक दिन में नहीं डेवलप होती. एंड हियर आई एम टेलिंग टू
नहीं
ऑल द
होता.
व्यूअर्स and all the people who will be watching the
Yes.
IGTV, that mental immunity और मेंटल हेल्थ भी एक दिन में नहीं बनता, फिजिकल इम्यूनिटी भी एक दिन में नहीं बढ़ती. यू
बिल्कुल.
हैव टू हैव द विटामिन सी and you need to have the vitamin D, all
Yeah.
for good months to build your physical immunity. In the
Yeah.
same manner, you
Yeah.
have to invest in your mental immunity to build your
Yeah.
mental health.
You have to, and one should. It's
Yes,
like a priority, because mentally, if you are fine, you can just do anything in life. Even if you have a physical ailment, but mentally, if you are sound, you can just achieve anything in life. It's basically, depends upon your mentality. So it is so
right.
important. So from this platform that Kanika has given me, I would just like to tell everybody, please take care of your mental health as you are taking care of your physical health, because it is so, so important. It is one of the most important things that you can, do at this point of time. And yeah.
So, Haleen, it was a wonderful session. I think your insights are so powerful and yet very practical, yet very, day to day applied,